Hi, my name is Dan Dorfmueller. I'm the author of Print Reading for Construction. I will take a look at material from Unit 3, Reading, Measuring Tools, and Using Scales. In this video, you will learn how to read an architect and engineer's scale. Drawings are reduced from full size down to scale that will fit on a sheet of paper. In this example, the residential floor plan has a scale of 1/4 of an inch equals 1 foot 0 inches, and the existing conditions plan has a scale of 1 inch equals 30 feet. An architect's scale is commonly used to make drawings for buildings such as floor plans, elevations, and details. Engineers' scales are used on civil drawings such as site plans, landscape plans, and many other drawings depicting anything outside the building. A typical triangular architect scale has a total of 11 different scales from 3/32 of an inch equals a foot to 3 inches equals a foot. Typical scales are shown in the example. Note that the faces on the scale with two different scales, the larger of the two scales is twice the size of the smaller scale. When a drawing is made using an architect's scale, the drawing scale is defined so that some fraction of an inch or whole number quantity in inches equals 1 foot. For example, when saying that a drawing has a scale of 1/8 inch equals 1 foot, what this is referring to is that each foot in actual size has been reduced to 1/8 of an inch. This is shown in the example on the left with the blue lines. On the drawing made using a scale of 1/4 inch equals 1 foot, each 1/4 inch length on the drawing equals 1 foot. This is shown in the example on the right with the red lines. Once you understand this concept, using an architect's scale becomes easier. To measure a distance with an architect's scale, use the method shown. First, line up the scale so that one end of the line aligns with a full foot mark and the other end of the line extends past the 0 mark into the inches area. Then read the measurement in feet and add the measurement in inches and fractions of an inch beyond the 0 mark to the number of feet. In the example shown, the measurement in feet is 6 feet and the measurement in inches is 7. The total length of the line is 6'7". An engineer's scale relates to so many feet per inch and is referred to as a whole number. For example, 20 scale is noted as 1 inch equals 20 feet. On the drawing using 1 inch equals 20 feet scale, every inch represents 20 feet. On a typical three-sided engineer's scale, there are 6 scales from 1 inch equals 10 foot to 1 inch equals 60 foot. Note that the 10 scale can also represent 1 inch equals 100 foot, 1 inch equals 1,000 feet, and even 1 inch equals 10,000 feet. To read an engineer's scale, first identify the scale. The number at the end of the scale indicates the number of feet per inch. This example shows the measurement of a line using an engineer's scale of 1 inch equals 10 foot, referred to as 10 scale. Note that each major division is divided into 10 parts. When reading this scale, 1 inch equals 10 foot, 2 inch equals 20 foot, 3 inch equals 30 foot, and so on. Referring to the red line, a measurement from the 0 mark to the 3 mark equals 30 foot. The line extends 3 tick marks past the 3 mark. Each tick mark equals 1 foot, and the total measurement is 33 feet. Thank you. Please visit my website for additional videos on print reading for construction at www.printreading.us.